Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Mr. Nova. In this video, we are going to learn and we have a proof, a question which we are expected to prove. And so you can read the question here. Prove that 2 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 10. How is this possible? Have you ever imagined of such a question? If you punch in your calculator, for example, 2 plus 8 plus 9, 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 9 is 19. But in this case, we have a question that says that prove that 2 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 10. How is this possible? So if you want to know how possible this is, just stay tuned and watch this video till the end, and not forgetting to subscribe if this is your first time to visit this channel, and you can equally like and comment at the comment section. Okay, now let's just kickstart. Okay, there's a question. Prove that 2 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 10. Okay, you have the solution and you're given, let's say, 10 seconds. Let me just give you 10 seconds to attempt this question. Okay, time up. Now it's time for you to get the solution to this question. Okay. Now, considering the first letters of the spelling of each digit, for example, 2 is spelled as TWO, and 8 is spelled as EIGHT8, and 9 is spelled as NINE9, just considering the first letters. Okay, you can find that on the screen. You can find the letter 2, T is highlighted, the letter E is highlighted, and the letter N is highlighted. And if you combine T, E, and N, you're going to have 10, CEN10, and this is what is expected of us to prove in this particular question. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope you've learned a particular trick on how to solve this mathematics riddle. You know, mathematics riddles or tricks are just a way to work your brain out. Yeah, they're just interesting ways, especially for kids to keep their brain active and to have this interest and love for mathematics. So thank you once more for watching this video till the end, and to promote this channel, just kindly subscribe and like, and equally comment at the comment section if possible.